Hey, just Sam here from SensatioNail. So, hopefully you've been enjoying our recent content from last Friday, and this week we are bringing something a bit more relaxed. It's going to be a nude look, but it's going to have a bit of a twist and have a bit of nail art. Hopefully you do like it. Make sure, as always, to give that a thumbs up, a comment, like, all that kind of good jazz, and hit that bell notification button. Ching! So, as you can see, I've already gone ahead and done most of the other nails, but I'm going to go through a step-by-step with this one. I've already done a prep. If you want to know an in-depth prep, go to the description box down below and you will have a link. So to start off with, we're going to go in with the Barely There Appearance Naturelle. And we're going to do 3 coats of this, as well as curing it every single time. Also, ensure to always cap your nails, because that makes it long lasting and it won't peel away as quickly if you don't cap them. Okay, so now I'm curing my nails for the whole time until the light turns off with the SensatioNail LED lamp. So same again, and 2 more coats until you have the desired shade of nude. And same again. Now I'm going to go ahead and choose my white colour, which today is going to be White Lily, and I am using one of these little tools, very fine but long, and it's super easy to make cute little designs like so. I find it really useful just to use it either on a plastic sheet or on one of the lint wipes. The design for the middle finger is going to be a lot more simple than my other fingers, but what I would suggest is when you're picking up some of the colour or the white, as I've chosen today, you are better off picking up less just initially to build it up and go slowly instead of picking up too much, because then it's harder to kind of go backwards on it. And if you make a mistake, you can easily clean it up. Just clean your tool and just clean it up. After that layer's done, you can go ahead and cure it and build up your white colour just as I've done. So as you can see, we've done our consistent 3 little layers of White Lily, and now you want to go ahead and just top coat all your nails, making sure you cap them as well. And then after that, go ahead and cure it just for half the time once it blinks. Now I'm going to go ahead and use top coat again, but I found a bit of plastic, and you just want to add a generous amount of product on there. And what we're going to use is, now this little gem is going to come into place, and we are going to use our beautiful gold little gems to apply them with our top coat, and then obviously we're going to have to cure it so that they stay all in place. Let's get to it and try this, because I've never done this and this is going to be so interesting. I've seen so many girls do it and I've been so inspired, and I cannot wait to try this out. So I've placed my gem in the place that I would like it, and now I can just go ahead and cure it. For curing, as it's only base coat, you can do it until it flashes. You don't have to do it for the full time. And to make sure that it stays in place and it's not going to budge, I'm just securing it with just a little bit of extra top coat just on the edges to make sure that little beautiful gem is not going anywhere. Remember, as I've said previously in other videos, your nails are jewels, they are not tools. So stop doing that. If you're guilty, stop being guilty. Be a good girl. Remember, every single time you use any of the colours or top coat, you have to cure it to secure it, girlfriends. So this is our final look with all our gems. It has been fun to do. Don't forget, go and check in the description box if you missed out any of the steps for the full description on how to do this gorgeous, marvellous look. Yes, girl! So, this is the finished look. hands on heart, it was initially a bit complicated, but then once you get the practice and once you've done one, it is super easy, super straightforward. I can't wait. I'm going out for lunch now with my girlfriend and we're going to have so much fun, and I know they are going to be checking my nails out for sure. So I hope you join me next week and see ya!